It's real. I finally moved. I am so excited to give you this kitchen tour. This is my new baby. As you might imagine, the kitchen is my favorite place in the house, and I happen to just find the most beautiful kitchen to film these videos in, to make so many memories in, and I'm just so excited about the whole thing. First of all, I moved out of my old place with Eric. We moved from my hometown, Glastonbury, Connecticut, to the greater Boston area. We decided to move because honestly, the 1-bedroom apartment thing, the 600 and something square foot place, working from home together was just, as you can imagine, kind of a nightmare. So we have a lot of space here, and we're really close to my family now, which is so, so important. They live only about like 40 minutes away now. And we're in the heart of New England, which is something that I've always wanted to be in. I love New England, it's part of my brand, and it's just great to have all this local produce and seafood that's like 30 minutes away, caught right off the shore. It's just, all the seasons are just on steroids here. So, I wanna show you this kitchen. Let's start with the beautiful island. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Look at how beautiful this is. Such nice countertops, and I'm obsessed with the blue. I'm gonna be doing a lot of blue decorating, so it's like a nice navy. We're gonna be capitalizing on this and doing a bunch of blue decorations and my fancy stools. And then come on over here. I have to show you all my new storage. And this is huge, obviously, for a chef. How fun is this? Ooh, ooh, oh my gosh, I didn't even realize this. I think this is for knives. Wow, I didn't even realize the storage I have, but look how fun this is. I can store all my pots and pans here. And I gotta show you this, by the way. I got new pots and pans because my stove now is induction. So I got these awesome pans. They have a copper rim, and then some of them are non-stick, and then some of them aren't. It came as a set. It's called Analon. This is not an ad, but like, I'm already obsessed with them. So let me show you the stove. So this is the new beast. This is my induction top here. I've never used one before, but I'm starting to get used to it. There's the on button, and then there's an on for each one of these burners, and it's a smooth top. And apparently there's coils on the bottom of each of these that like heats really evenly, and it doesn't heat up the room. It's super fancy and high tech, so I had to buy these cool pans for it. So then I have my oven here. It's a fancy Italian oven, but look at how hilariously small it is. The other day, I tried to put more than just a cookie sheet in it, and it was like kind of a disaster. So we'll see how that works. But it is convection. So all these new cooking things that I gotta get used to, it's gonna take me a little bit, so bear with me. So my fridge and freezer, my new BFF. It's much larger than my old one. It has some fancy drawers and also some really fancy buttons if you wanna look on the right-hand side there. I don't even know what I'm doing half the time. But it is beautiful. And then I think the theme of this kitchen from the person that lived here before is everything's very small. So I have lots of small little freezer spaces too. You're also seeing my addiction. It's all right. It gets me through, it gets me through. And then look at this amazing sink. It's made out of granite. How cool is that? I just love the color, so fun. Small dishwasher. Coffee, anyone? You can tell we have a coffee problem because we have a coffee machine, espresso, Keurig, and then, oh, wrong drawer. I'm not even used to it. The coffee drawer. And then You go from coffee to wine. You can tell we also have a problem here. We love our wine. I'm the king of this castle. Weird chandelier, anyone? Lights.
Camera. Action.
And this is where the action's all gonna happen. Thanks so much from the bottom of my heart.